Hello guys, today I am going to do the unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 7. This is the black version. Actually there are three versions, that is first one is the white one, then the silver and the black. The black version is the only version which has a hyper smooth stabilization. Hyper smooth stabilization is the gimbal like stabilization. The another important difference between these three versions is that only the black version has the removable battery. All the other versions do not have the removable battery. Okay, then with no further delays we can jump into the unboxing of this new GoPro Hero 7. There will be a blue strip over here, but I actually opened it once so that it is not present here now. This GoPro is packed same as the previous ones. As you can see, this new GoPro Hero 7 is truly black in color, not like the Hero 5 and Hero 6 black. Now the black color is truly dark. Now we can unbox the box to see what's inside it. This is the card for the passport program of GoPro. This one for the extended warranty by registering in the site. This one shows the instructions. This one is GoPro's manual showing safety instructions, etc. This is the GoPro stickers. I already used it. This is the GoPro C-type cable for charging. Now we have the two adhesive mounts, curved and flat. These are the things inside this box, and thus we have done the unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, press the subscribe button and the bell button, and also hit the like button. I want to conclude that this GoPro Hero 7 is very good and it is worth it, and everyone should buy it. Okay, then bye.